If you struggle with your waves always being frizzy or just hard to lay down in general, it's definitely something wrong in your routine. But the crazy part is, it's not even hard to fix. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down step by step on everything you need to do to be able to fix frizzy waves and keep them laid properly. A lot of times, people think their waves are not laying down because they need better products or they're just not brushing enough. But most of the time, it's your process that's actually off. And if your hair isn't laid, your waves are never gonna look as good as they should, even if your waves are there. First mistake, you're trying to lay your hair down when it's dry. That alone messes everything up. Dry hair has no flexibility. So when you brush it, it frizzes up instead of laying down. That's why your waves look rough or puffy. What you want to do instead is work with slightly damp hair. Not soaking wet, but not fully dry either. This is what actually allows your hair to move and lay into place. This one change alone will fix a lot of problems. Second mistake, you're using too much product. A lot of people think more product equals more shine, more control. But in reality, it does the opposite. When you overload your hair with product, it just sits on top. It makes your hair feel heavy and it becomes harder to lay down. And when you brush it, it's gonna frizz up instead of just smooth out. All you really need is a small amount. Most products specifically say dime size. You could use a little bit more depending on your hair. Then you just want to spread it out evenly and let the brush do the work, not the product. Third mistake, you're either using the wrong brush or brushing too aggressively at the wrong time. A hard brush, a medium brush, they're good, but not for laying down your hair at the end. If you only use a medium brush or a hard brush the whole session, you're only going to be lifting your hair up, which is the opposite of what you want. At the end of your sessions, you should be using a soft brush along with a lay down pad or a plastic bag to lay your waves down. That's what's going to give you that nice laid clean look. Always. The hard brush and the medium brush are what build your waves, but the soft brush along with the plastic bag is what's going to lay your waves and keep them laid. Last mistake, and this is probably the biggest one. You're not using compression. If you're not ragging up or putting a do-rag on after you finish your brush session, your hair is going to go back to how it was before. After you brush, you need to rag up. You need to be putting your do-rag on. That's what locks everything into place. That's what trains your hair to stay laid. Even for 20 to 30 minutes of compression with a do-rag will make a difference. But wearing it overnight when you go to sleep, even better. A do-rag compression is non-negotiable. So if your waves are not laying down, here's what you need to fix. Slightly damp hair, less product, soft brush to finish along with the plastic bag, and a do-rag for compression. That's it. If you stay consistent with this, your waves are going to be laying a lot better. So if this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you on the next one.